Welcome to the YouTube channel Natural Cures and Tips. Here you will find a space dedicated to promoting a healthy, balanced lifestyle based on natural approaches to taking care of your health and well-being. We believe that nature offers a multitude of resources and solutions to the health challenges we face every day. On our channel, we will share valuable tips, natural remedies, healthy recipes, expert advice, and information based on scientific evidence, aiming to provide natural and effective alternatives to take care of your body, mind, and spirit. We are committed to covering a wide range of topics from skin and hair care to common health issues like colds, headaches, digestive issues, anxiety, and more. Our mission is to empower you to make informed decisions about your health by encouraging preventive and holistic practices. We believe that nature has incredible healing power, and we want to share this knowledge with you. Join us on this journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and embark on this journey of discovery with natural cures and tips. How to identify heart vein clogging, main symptoms, and recommended tests. Our organism has ways of alerting us when something is not right, and the heart is no exception. So how can we prevent problems in this vital organ? How to identify heart vein clogging? Recognizing the signs that may indicate heart problems is essential to seek medical attention and receive the necessary treatment before the disease worsens and causes more serious complications. In this sense, preventive medicine plays an important role, as routine exams allow us to have a better quality of life. It is true that we are not always able to detect problems in time, and some surprises come along the way. However, if we maintain regular medical follow-up, are attentive to the signs that our body gives us, and pursue a healthy lifestyle, we will be fighting against future health problems. One of the areas of the body that most concerns both doctors and patients is the heart. Within this context, a common question is, how to know if the heart vein is clogged? Before answering this question, it is important to understand the difference between veins and arteries. Arteries and veins are part of the complex cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, and perform complementary functions. Let's see the role of each one. Arteries, these are blood vessels responsible for transporting arterial blood, that is, blood rich in oxygen and nutrients, from the heart to other parts of the body, through the ventricles. Examples of arteries include the aorta, muscular arteries, and arterioles. In the heart, blood is pumped to the pulmonary arteries, where oxygenation occurs. Veins, these are blood vessels that transport venous blood, that is, oxygen-poor blood, saturated with carbon dioxide, back to the heart, through the atria, small cavities located above the ventricles. This applies to most veins, but there are exceptions, such as the pulmonary veins, which carry oxygenated blood back to the heart. Examples of veins include the pulmonary, vena cava, and jugular veins. When we refer to the blockage of the heart vein, we are talking about the venous system, responsible for bringing blood back to the heart. Blockage of this venous system can cause superficial thrombophlebitis and even pulmonary embolism, a potentially fatal condition. The most commonly used treatment for venous blockage, or venous thrombosis, is anticoagulation. So how do you know if the heart vein is clogged? Identifying whether the heart vein is clogged requires attention to the signs and symptoms presented. It is important to point out that these symptoms can also be related to other health conditions, so consulting a specialist doctor is essential to obtain a correct diagnosis. Here are some signs that may indicate a blocked heart vein. Chest pain, angina. This is a classic symptom of a possible heart attack. It may manifest itself as a feeling of tightness, pressure, heaviness, or burning in the chest. Fatigue and extreme weakness, feeling constantly tired, could be indicative of heart failure or low blood pressure. Dizziness and fainting, these symptoms could be an impending sign of a heart attack, arrhythmia, or low blood pressure. Loss of vision or blurred vision can also be related to a possible stroke. Fast, irregular heartbeat, If accompanied by weakness, dizziness, or difficulty breathing, this could indicate a heart attack, heart failure, or arrhythmia. Nausea, lack of appetite and bloating, fluid accumulation due to heart problems can lead to abdominal bloating and digestive symptoms like nausea and lack of appetite. Anxiety, shortness of breath and fear of dying, these symptoms can indicate the imminence of a heart attack. Sudden, severe sweating, excessive sweating can be a sign of a heart attack, low blood pressure, high blood pressure, or arrhythmia. Persistent cough, the accumulation of fluid in the lungs due to heart failure, can cause a persistent cough. Body aches, the pain may start in the chest and spread to the shoulders, arms, elbows, back, neck, jaw, or abdomen and may be related to a heart attack. Pain in the thighs, hips, and calves. This type of pain can indicate obstruction in the veins and arteries, resulting in insufficient blood flow to these areas. Erectile dysfunction, obstruction of arteries and veins in the pelvic area, can be a precursor sign of a myocardial infarction. It is important to remember that these symptoms can vary from person to person and do not always indicate a blocked heart vein. Therefore, it is essential to seek medical evaluation for a proper diagnosis. In addition to symptoms, there are tests that can help detect heart problems. Some of them include electrocardiogram (ECG) records the electrical activity of the heart. Chest X-ray can provide information about the size and shape of the heart. Myocoscintigraphy. Thank you for following the Natural Cures and Tips channel. We hope you have found valuable information and inspiration to take care of your health in a natural and conscious way. Remember that every step towards a healthier lifestyle is an investment in your long-term well-being. We will continue to bring you relevant, up-to-date, and authoritative content to help you explore the wonders of nature and enjoy the benefits of a holistic approach to health. If you liked our channel, be sure to share it with friends and family who are also interested in taking care of themselves in a natural way. If you have any questions, suggestions for topics, or would like to share your experiences, leave a comment on the videos. We are here to help and create a community committed to promoting a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. Always remember to consult a health professional before adopting any treatment or practice mentioned in the channel. Each individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Thank you for being part of our community, and we hope to see you again in future videos. Take care and see you next time on the Natural Cures and Tips channel.